started to tell me about the revelation. But as a difficult guy, because you can't make something for him to eat. You can't. There's a lot of things, man, that this guy requires, and there's a lot of questions, like simple things like, "Oh, now we're going to shoot." I'm like, "Yeah." How you hold your camera? I'm like, I never get such kind of a question. I'm like, "Yeah, your lighting. Yeah, when you show me on the camera, you must show here." You know.
Yeah.
I was like,
he's got rules.
Yeah, and James started to tell me, said, "Hey, bro, it was the first episode." James told me, he said, "You know what, Chris? Your guy, bruh. Thank you." When we started this episode, it's done. But because me, I look deep to a person, and I was like, okay, this guy is he got this revelation, because it's not for me to judge, man. And I treat everyone equally. With me, I don't have this thing of which how you look, your money and everything. I just believe those things works for you, not for me. I don't treat people how they appear or how they dress. I just treat people because I connect with them, and I'll sit down. But I don't look how you're wearing. I just look inside you. And I was like, we should come to a part for a part 2. Then I didn't tell the crew. With this guy is coming back. Is there a 2 trend on part 2, James?
Yeah, but 2 over.
Okay. So he told me when he come for part 2, we shot, and once we're done with the show, he just walk out and go. That was it. Like when we said and we out finishing an interview, take his Bible and he went out. We never see him again until he called me, "I'm coming for part 2." Then I was like, okay, you can come again. When he come back again, he told me that I've been rejected, Chris, to so many podcasts, and people, they were taking me for a joke, and people don't know about God news, and they don't respect it. By the way, me, I'm not I do go to church, but I won't say I'm a big Christian, but it happens that I'm a person who will respect all people, so that's how we connect. I think respect, that's what, keeps him coming to the podcast, because like even now it's free. Even now he didn't wanna go. He was talking, but remember when he started, it was like after shooting he go out. He would go, but with the respect, I